So today I am going to discuss a simple topic, simple questions in chapter Polynomial. Very simple question. So one question: if alpha and beta are zeros of the quadratic polynomial, zeros of quadratic polynomial, then find 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta minus alpha beta. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, 2x squared minus 6x plus 6. Very simple question. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, QP it means quadratic polynomial, 2x squared minus 6x plus 6. Find what? 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta minus alpha into beta. So it is actually quadratic polynomial. What is the meaning of quadratic polynomial? It means power of the variable is 2. So look here, what is the variable? Here x. The power of the variable is what? 2. The degree is 2. Degree, actually technically we call a degree of the polynomial. If degree of the polynomial is 2, we call it is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial, how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. First zero we call alpha, and second zero we called what? Beta. So here alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. 2x squared minus 6x plus 6. Your aim is what? To find the value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta minus alpha into beta. You know what is the standard form of the quadratic polynomial? Standard form of the quadratic polynomial is ax squared plus bx plus c. That is actually standard form of the quadratic polynomial. If it is equal to 0, we call quadratic equation. Quadratic polynomial standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c. That is actually standard form of the quadratic polynomial. Here, a stands for what? Coefficient of the x squared. Which value multiplied with the x squared? That is actually we called a coefficient of the x squared. And b stands for what? Coefficient of the x. Which value multiplied with the x? That is actually we called b. And c is actually constant. So in these cases, we know what is the equation. Equation is 2x squared then minus 6x plus 6. That is actually quadratic polynomial. So what is the value of a? A is equal to what? Tell me. A is equal to 2 and b is equal to what? Minus 6 and c is equal to what? 6. So from here, your aim is what? It is actually very important question exam point of view. Your aim is what? To find the value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta minus alpha into beta. There is a very important equation in this chapter. The relationship between zeros and coefficient of the quadratic polynomial. Very important and very easy equation. The relation between zeros and the coefficient of the quadratic polynomial. What is the equation? Equation, we know what is the equation? Alpha plus beta. Alpha is first zero and beta is the second zero. So what is the relation between zeros and the coefficient of the quadratic polynomial? Alpha plus beta, that is equal to what? Minus b by a. Similarly, alpha into beta, that is equal to what? C by a. Alpha plus beta, that is equal to what? minus b by a alpha into beta, that is equal to what? C by a. If suppose some students in examination, what they are doing, they are trying to find the alpha and beta of the quadratic polynomial by using either split the middle term or by using the quadratic formula. But in these cases, very important, these type of questions, no need to find the value of what? Alpha and beta. We can use this equation, then we can very easy to find what is the value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta minus alpha into beta. How? Listen. First, make a denominator same here. That means cross multiply here. We can find what is the answer. Alpha into beta. Cross multiplication we can find, cross multiplication we can find alpha into beta. Then what is the answer here? Cross multiply from here to here and cross multiply from here to here. So what is the answer? Alpha plus beta, that minus alpha into beta. We know from here what is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta, that is equal to minus b by a. Or divided by alpha into beta, what is the answer? C by a minus alpha into beta, what is the answer? Alpha into beta, that is equal to C by a. So from here we can cancel this a and this a. So what is the answer? Minus b by c minus what? C by a. So from this question, what is the value of b? B we know, b is equal to minus 6. So here again what minus? So minus become what? Minus become what? Minus 6 divided by what? What is the value of c? C is equal to 6. Then minus. Then next one is what? C. What is c here? 6 by what? A is what? 2. So minus become what? Plus. Then 6 by 6, what is the answer? 1. Minus 3, what is the answer? Minus 2 is the answer. It is actually very important question exam point of view. We can very easy to simplify. Remember, already one equation, alpha plus beta, what is the answer? Minus b by a, alpha into beta, what is the equation? C by a. So in this case, cross multiply, that is the first method. Or one more method is there, make a denominator same, but both methods will get a same answer, whether cross multiplication is easy. So alpha into beta, what is the answer? Alpha into beta. Then beta into 1, what is the answer? Beta. Alpha into 1, what is the answer? Alpha. What is sign here? Plus. So I hope you understand this question clearly. It is a very important and very easy question. You can very easily score 1 or 2 marks in your board examinations. Thank you very much.